Hey guys, it's Jay-Z here from Nutrisize, taking on Mount Saddleback today, solo mission. From all reports that I've researched, should only take a couple of hours. Yeah, it's been snowing around Tasmania this weekend, so there wasn't too many options I could do today. So the northeast was the best option weather-wise. So, and a nice cruisy Sunday hike for me as well. You'll need a four-wheel drive to get right up to the trailhead because it's a bit overgrown and pretty rough in patches, so I wouldn't be taking a sedan up to this track. So yeah, definitely take a four-wheel drive. All right, let's get into it. So far so good, plenty of rock cans to follow, so yeah, it's pretty well marked so far. Few minutes into the hike, straight into the climb, so yeah, you can already see Mount Saddleback at the top there, so should be a short one. Mount Albert and Mount Victoria is starting to come up now. It's good to see someone's left a feather in the tree for me, so just to make the walk even more enjoyable. Okay, so about 40 minutes into the walk, I'm nearing the summit, which is up there. I can see Quamby Bluff far at the back there. The one closest to me is Nevis. The one next over is Mount Barrow, and then you've got Mount Arthur right there. You got the northeast coast down there. And then you got the east coast over there, so awesome views. Mount Albert, Mount Victoria. All right, let's keep going to the summit. Got Mount Albert, we got Mount Victoria, you got the east coast of Tassie over there. Looking towards there, you've got Flinders Island, northeast coast, Mount Arthur, Mount Barrow, and Nevis is the closest peak. Alright, we'll have a look at Tower Hill over there, right in front. You got Ben Lomond, Stacks Bluff over the back there. You got Jacob's Ladder, and you got Legas Tor that is starting to be covered in cloud there. Looks like snow clouds. Alright guys, I'm getting out of the wind, eh? There you have it guys, the summit of Mount Saddleback. Took me exactly 1 hour to get from the car to the peak here, and that included a few stops for drinks and a lot of filming. Yeah, it's windy as hell on one side of the summit cairn. So I'm talking to you guys on the side that's not so windy, it's blocking the wind. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for tagging along. Subscribe to the Nutrisize channel, and we're going to be doing heaps more hikes over the next 1 to 2 years, so stick around. You'll see a lot of good content. Cheers guys.
Yeah.